In this video, we will compare two powerful AMD processors, the Ryzen 9795X and the Ryzen 77800X3D. We'll dive into their specifications, performance metrics, and pricing to help you make an informed decision. The AMD Ryzen 9795X boasts 16 cores and 32 threads, making it a powerhouse for multi-threaded tasks. It features a base clock speed of 4.2 GHz and can boost up to 5.7 GHz, with a substantial L3 cache of 64 MB. In contrast, the Ryzen 77800X3D, while having only 8 cores and 16 threads, incorporates 3D V-cache technology, providing a significant advantage in gaming performance with a total of 96 MB of L3 cache. Both processors utilize the advanced 5nm process technology and support the AM5 platform. The Ryzen 9795X excels in multi-core performance, making it ideal for content creation and heavy workloads. Its higher TDP of 170W indicates its power consumption, but it delivers outstanding performance in demanding applications. On the other hand, the Ryzen 77800X3D shines in gaming scenarios thanks to its innovative 3D V-cache, which enhances gaming performance significantly while maintaining a lower TDP of 120W. This makes the 7800X3D a more power-efficient choice for gamers. The AMD Ryzen 9795X comes with a premium price of $699, reflecting its high-end capabilities and performance. In contrast, the Ryzen 77800X3D is priced at a more affordable $449, making it an attractive option for gamers and budget-conscious users who still want excellent performance. This price difference highlights the value proposition of each processor based on the user's needs. In conclusion, the choice between the AMD Ryzen 9795X and the Ryzen 77800X3D ultimately depends on your specific needs. If you require exceptional multi-core performance for content creation, the 7950X is the better choice. However, if you're looking for a more affordable option that excels in gaming, the 7800X3D is hard to beat. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.